What's up, guys, and welcome back to an episode of Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Today, we are talking about what is Detail Garage. Detail Garage is your one-stop shop for all your Chemical Guys needs. You could drive on in here, you could talk to one of our expert staff. They will walk outside, give you a free consultation on your car, and recommend you everything you need to maximize your shine on your ride. Detail Garage is filled with nothing but shine, with over 400 Chemical Guys products on shelves, from glazes, sealants, ceramics, waxes, the list goes on. Everything you need to make your car shine, you can find it here at your local Detail Garage. Where can you find a Detail Garage? It's so simple. Go on our website right now, chemicalguys.com, hit the find the store, enter your zip code, and like that you'll be directed to your local Detail Garage today. Detail Garage took the globe by storm. With over 100 Detail Garage locations across the globe, including Canada, you could drive down to your local Detail Garage today and pick up everything you need to make your car clean. Are you looking to take your detailing to the next level? Well, guess what? Detail Garage has you covered. Detail Garage offers hands-on training from basics of detailing that will cover everything you need to know about basics of detailing, such as washing a car with water, without water, glazing a car, sealing a car, waxing a car, the list goes on. The basics of detailing class is for any entry beginner that wants to start off detailing or any professional that wants to up their detailing game. Or maybe you're looking to remove scratches and swirls off your paint but don't know how? We'll sign up for one of our polishing classes. Our polishing classes teach you the different benefits of using a polish versus a compound, what pad, what machine, from a rotary to dual action, the list goes on. Detail Garage has you covered for all your knowledge. Are you looking to start your own business? Well, guess what? We do offer master course here at your local Detail Garage. Detail Garage will offer hands-on training, show you how to run a business, how to market yourself, and how to grow your business here at your local Detail Garage. And for anybody that wants to ask, do we offer events? The answer is yes. Monthly Rides and Coffee comes to your local Detail Garage every single month. From maybe last Saturday of the month, second Saturday, check with your local Detail Garage today to find out when they're hosting their next Rides and Coffee and come out and share the path for shine. Rides and Coffee is a fan favorite. Why? We offer coffee, cool cars, fun people, and a fun time. So stop by your local Detail Garage today, get informed when their next event is, and come out and share the path for shine that day. Do you have a car that has scratches or swirls, imperfections in your paint, and don't know where to start? Well, guess what? Detail Garage has you covered. Walk on in today to your local Detail Garage, talk to one of our professional trained staff, and have them walk outside, and they will actually give you a free consultation on your ride. Whether it's interior, exterior, undercarriage, engine bay, our professional trained staff will walk outside, do a free demo for you guys, or recommend you the perfect parts you need to up your shine on your ride. And that is why you should stop by today and visit your local Detail Garage to take your shine to the next level. As always, if you guys do want to pick up any of these parts today, stop by your local Detail Garage today or hop on to our website now, chemicalguys.com, and we'll see you guys here at Detail Garage.